Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back to my channel of daily tech news and reviews. Xiaomi just announced its latest TWS earphones called FlipBuds Pro. They are the first audio accessory of the company with actual active noise cancellation and bring an 11mm driver and a dedicated flagship audio chip by Qualcomm. The ANC can tone down the surrounding noise to 14 decibel, which Xiaomi compares to the volume of the noise in the library. The FlipBuds Pro have 3 microphones. One is taking in the voice of the speaker during a call. Another is listening for external noise and isolating it, while the third is making sure the user voice isn't accidentally muted. This is all enabled by the QCC5151 Bluetooth chip, which listens and filters environmental sounds, so the wind doesn't get accidentally picked up, ruining the audio experience. Bluetooth 5.2 is available for connectivity, and thanks to this chip, the FlipBuds Pro also support aptX or audio processing technology, adaptive dynamic codec protocol. The FlipBuds Pro have a low latency feature as long as you have to select Xiaomi's smartphones like Mi Mix Fold, Mi 11 series, Mi 10 series, Redmi K40 series, Redmi K30 series, and Redmi Note 9 Pro. The battery capacity of the Xiaomi FlipBuds Pro is not mentioned on the official website, but the brand claims 7 hours on a single charge, 5 hours with the active noise cancellation on, and 28 hours of total playtime. The case has a USB-C charging port but also supports wireless charging. Xiaomi is already offering the FlipBuds Pro on its website in China. The earbuds sold only in black cost 799 Chinese yuan, which is about $125 US. So what do you think, guys, of this new Xiaomi FlipBuds Pro? Let me know your thoughts in the comments down below. And if you somehow like what you see here, subscribe to the channel is definitely awesome. And as always, I will catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.